Breaking news, Gunma Prefecture. By Isesaki FM AI. Due to the strong winds on the 9th, a woman in her 70s in Isesaki fell and suffered minor injuries. According to the Maebashi Regional Meteorological Observatory, the maximum instantaneous wind speed was observed in Isesaki at 21.9 meters. And in Minakami at 21 meters, breaking the maximum recorded in April. At around 1 p.m. on the 9th, a woman in her 70s who was working was blown over by the wind, hit her head and suffered minor injuries. Also in Isesaki, there was damage including fallen trees and tin roofs being blown away.